अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। आज हम बात करेंगे होटल इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ होने वाले मुख्तलिफ डोर लॉक्स के हवाले से कि कितनी टाइप के जो है डोर लॉक्स होटल इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ किए जाते हैं और उनके क्या एडवांटेजेस और क्या क्या डिसएडवांटेजेस है। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डोर लॉक्स। उनको हम दो तरह की कैटेगरीज में डिफ़ाइन कर लेते हैं। एक है ट्रेडिशनल लॉक्स और दूसरे हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक या डिजिटल लॉक्स की अगर हम बात करें तो ट्रेडिशनल लॉक में तो इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल कि ये की लॉक्स हैं, सिंपल हार्ड की होती है जिसको आप इस्तेमाल करते हैं और अगर एक ही ब्रांड या एक ही सप्लायर जो है वो यूज़ किया आपने तो देन यू विल हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हैव अ मास्टर की अवेलेबल. So the guest comes in and he just take the hard key and use it in the room, and in case if the key is lost, जो कि one of the biggest disadvantage है, then someone else can use that, but you can still open the door with the master key, and that is a very simple traditional way of using the key lock system in the hotel. But when we talk about the electronic or the digital lock system, then there are different types available in the market. जो पॉपुलर जो टाइप्स हैं उसमें हम RFID की अगर हम बात करें जो कि रेडियो फ्रिक्वेंसी आइडेंटिफिकेशन सिस्टम के तहत कार्ड जो है वो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, और देन यू हैव अ चिप कार्ड टेक्नोलॉजी और मैग्नेटिक कार्ड्स, और या फिर पिन कोड से इस्तेमाल होने वाले डोर लॉक्स, और द लास्ट टेक्नोलॉजी जो है वो है मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी जो कि आपको कीलेस मोबाइल की सोल्यूशन जो है वो देता है। तो आपके ऊपर एक ऐप इस्तेमाल करते हैं और आप अपने मोबाइल के ऊपर ऐप इस्तेमाल करते हैं, देन यू विल हैव द वर्चुअल की टू यूज़ इट. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ दिस डिजिटल लॉक्स. द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट RFID, it's an definitely it works with the Wi-Fi, and then it works with the battery as well, which is installed in the lock. It's a little bit expensive solution as compared to the traditional locks, लेकिन इसके अंदर आपको फैसिलिटी मिल जाती है, मल्टीपल यूजर्स यू कैन क्रिएट, एंड देन यू हैव मल्टी यूजर्स एक्सेस and data saved in the cards itself, which is a good facility as well. दूसरी जो टाइप है उसकी अगर हम बात करें तो मैग्नेटिक कार्ड्स हैं जो कि एक स्ट्राइप होती है ब्लैक कलर की ऑन द बैक ऑफ द कार्ड, और आप जो है कार्ड को स्वाइप करते हैं, एक की लॉक है उसके अंदर आप डालते हैं उसको, देन यू जस्ट स्वाइप इट एंड देन द डोर गेट ओपन. Similar technology is used for the chip card as well, and it's slightly like looks like the ATM cards, which is a small chip inside on the top of the card, and then you just insert this card into the lock and the lock get opened. The third technology with regards to the digital is the pin code. You have the pin numbers, and then you use the password all the time when you enter the room, and then when the guest checked out, you just have to change the password. The disadvantage of this card is that you will have to change the password all the time, and this can be very cumbersome when it comes to frequent room guests coming into the room. The last but not the least technology is the wireless technology, which is keyless mobile key system, which basically there is an app onto the mobile of the guest, and जो guest है वो उसको virtual key issue हो जाती है जो कि encrypted होती है definitely, and then it goes to the guest mobile, and guest comes to the room and he just bring the mobile closer to the lock and it get open. It has a lot of other features. It can be integrated with the PMS, property management system, or check-in check-out system, and there are a lot of advantages. And the disadvantage of this technology is that it doesn't work when there is no Wi-Fi either onto the mobile or in the hotel. So the Wi-Fi has to be very stable if you are going to this solution. The beauty of that technology is that even if you have the mobile key features available in your door lock system, and for some reason the guests do not want to have the mobile key, then you can still issue the RFID key for the guest, and this feature works together with your keyless system. So you have the opportunity to use either the RFID key card or the mobile key, which is very good facility for this kind of lock system if you have in the hotel. So there are a lot of benefits that the guests don't have to come to the front office. It saves a lot of time. It really pays you off, and the guest during the departure time, he does not really need to pass by the front office. And so from the guest perspective, it is more personal, and the guest has more of convenience while checking in and checking out and during his stay. And from the hotel perspective, you have a lot of other benefits, that you have less work on the front office. Key failure is less likely to happen because it's a virtual key, so it does not get failed. There are no complaints about that, despite when you have magnetic card or chip card, they do get failed often, because when they get in contact with the mobile device or any metal device, the program is corrupted, and then the guest has to come to the front office to re-encode the key, which is very disadvantageous feature of this chip and magnetic cards. But when we talk about the wireless keys or mobile key, that is not there, because it's a virtual key, which is it has a lot of other secure features, which is very much helpful for the guest as well as for the hotel. And then it has a very big impact on the payroll as well, because you need less staffing, no more too much complaints, and no complaint cell is needed, and front office really save a lot of money in terms of resources as well as the revenue. Please send me your comments in the below option so that I can answer you back if you have any. I would be happy to give you the answers upon your queries, and we can still more talk about the wireless key and the mobile key, that how does it function. Maybe in another video I will share some more detail onto the keyless mobile technology, that how does it work and how beneficial it is for the hotel if you have really a good budget to install this kind of system into your hotel. It really pays you off when it comes to the value, increasing value of the hotel as well as the business of the hotel, if you have that kind of solution available in the hotel. So I just say thank you to you for watching this video. I will wait for your comments and the feedback for this video, and until then I see you in next video. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.